If you've been looking for easy ways to make money online, you've probably come across Captype.com. It claims you can earn by solving captchas, referring friends, and building a team with payouts through PayPal, crypto, and bank transfers. Sounds great on paper, but is it actually worth your time? After checking out the platform, I found a few red flags that are hard to ignore. The website is very new, which always means you should be extra cautious. On top of that, several website trust checking services give Captype.com very low trust scores because of its young age and other risk factors. What concerned me even more were the user reviews. A number of people claim their withdrawals were marked as successful on the dashboard, but they say the money never reached their accounts. While individual experiences can vary, the overall feedback is overwhelmingly negative. So, is Captype.com worth using? Based on what I found, I'd be very cautious. Until there's stronger proof of consistent payouts and a better reputation, I don't think it's worth investing your time. If you've tried Captype.com yourself, let everyone know your experience in the comments below.